coming up out of there. Slowly but surely coming back to life, man. It's crazy. I've never seen that in real life. In a real life, yeah, man. Look at him, he's shaking. He tried to come up out of there. He's shaking. He's coming up out of there too. Oh, look at him. He's coming up out of there. Slowly but surely. About to get them wings up out of there. Yeah, he coming to it. It's crazy. He spent so many years underground. There's so many years underground waiting for your moment. This is your moment. Out of there now. It took me about 5 minutes too. Yeah, he come out of there. They beating them wings, trying to get up out of there. You can see them too. See his little legs on the side there? Sorry about that, didn't want to disturb you. It's a beautiful thing. Oh yeah, he about to come up out of there. Look, 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 look. There you go. he coming up out of there. That's amazing. Something I've never seen in my life. Struggle. Come out of there. Come on, mama. Come on, baby. Oh, wow. It's a pretty color, too.
Good morning.
Hey, good morning, good morning, good morning to you. Look at this little bitty eye. Look at that little bitty eye, man. Little bitty eyes. Wow. He's steady knocking to get up out of there. He done made some progress too. He done made some progress. Almost got his wings out.
I didn't know that was you. No, I'm talking about, I got to get a red truck.
Oh, you said my room was my room. It's just like that, but I don't have that for a couple years. Yeah, I think I was in my car when I saw it. Yeah, because I don't want to have you walk that far for you to stop. Right here, to have you walk all the way to the park.
Patience, patience, patience. You are coming out of a cycle, out of a situation. You are emerging a new you. Be patient with yourself, man. Hold outside. This is the best 10 minutes I spent in my life, damn near. Check out this dude, man. It's over. The old you is gone. The old you is gone. It is the new you. Welcome to new you. Welcome to new you. There we go. Oh, we're about to stretch them little front legs.
Yep. You feel like going to the store, I'll get you a beer.
Yeah, give me 1 second.
All right.
Give me 1 second, man. I want to see this thing.
Oh, it's coming out.
Yeah, man. I ain't never seen this in my life. You see it molten? I mean, whatever. Molten,
Like coming out
losing
the
its
cocoon?
skin. Yup, yeah, man. I ain't never seen this. It's a beautiful thing, though. Look, hey, man, this is crazy. That sun hitting him, though. He coming alive, you know? Cause when we sat down right here, he was all the way in there. He just started coming up out of there. Just started coming up out of there. He made it too. He just got that back end. Look like he tired though. It's crazy because I wanted to help him, but I had to realize, man, that's just like us in situations in our life, man. When you're going through a dark moment, or when you're going through a moment where God is putting you in a situation where you're seeing about yourself and you growing into something different, a new you can't help nobody in no situation like that. You gotta let it happen naturally, man. You know, and man, God is good, man. It's a beautiful thing, man. Hey, man, this just raised my spirit, man, for the day. You know, it really did, man. I ain't never neither, man. But it raised my spirit, man, because we all in the cocoon, man, every day coming out, man. You know, coming out, man. The wonders of it all, man. Look at it. He's swinging his little legs now. He's slowly stretching them daddies out. He's slowly stretching them daddies out. It's like watching a baby be born, man. I'm excited. I'm like, come on, man. Come on up out of there. Thank you. Like, come on up out of there. And it's crazy because you want to, you know, the human nature and things, man, you want to rush somebody else to be on your timeline, right? Because I wanted to rush him to come out just because I wanted to help him, right? But sometimes some help ain't meant to be given. Sometimes help will hurt you, man. You got to go through what you got to go through. You understand me, man? Huh? Forgive me, man. I'm on it, man. You know, this is what I do, man. Oh, man. And one thing about life, man, signs and symbols. Simple signs, complex symbols, man. Look at it, coming to life, man. It's a beautiful thing. Hey, you're stretching too. Come on up out of there, man, so I can go into the store now.
What is it gonna be, a butterfly or something?
That's a cicada.
What's that?
A cicada? Cicadas live in the ground. Kind of some, it seemed like that, but you know it's crazy. Cicadas, the reason why that's so special, right? That some bitch, they live underground about 2-3 feet, maybe some odd feet, right? Yeah. Maybe I think even deeper, around like the frost line, about 4 feet. And they stay underground for about 17 years. And then they come up and they do this like this here. You ever hear that? Yeah. That noise, that cricket type noise, that's them.
Oh, okay.
You know what I'm saying? But they only come around like every 17 years, some shit like that. Man. So basically, this moment has been thought about for 17 years.
Damn.
You feel me?
Then they come out the ground.
They come out the ground, and then they come up, they molt, and then I guess they mate, they eat, and they go back down. That's some deep stuff, man. Come up out of there, man. To be 17 years away like that. I remember I was digging a foundation over there on the south, and I seen a bunch of them. It was a shit ton of them. Who you waving to? There was a lot of them up underground like that. A lot of them underground. But they were in like it looked like they was all balled up, looked like fossils, you know what I'm saying? But they were alive though, but they were just up under there.
Right.
They were just up under there. Slowly but surely coming up out of there. And I think when they come up out of there, they kind of like, they got to dry for a minute or something like that. Man, but that's when they come along, birds and eat them.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Cats might take a swipe at him. Dog might bite him. Squirrel might take a bite at him. Just knock him down. You know how the curiosity.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Curiosity, man. Ain't that some shit? We sat down, he was all the way in there. All the way in there. I got it on tape though. I'm wondering if me messing with him is keeping him up in there. He got his eyes right on me though, you know what I'm saying? I wonder if he like, man, I'm not coming up out of here, you know. Let me just hang around for a little bit, man. I wanted to see him spread his wing, man. Really spread his wings and get gone. That's what I wanted to do. Let's drink the rest of this coffee. You go like, you can't rush it. It takes its own time. You can't rush it. Can't rush it. What you want for the stuff?
Oh. What kind of beer you drink?
I ain't gonna lie, I drink 4 Locos, but I will drink a beer though.
Nah, you get the 4 local. How much are you?
Like $2 and some change. $2.60, man.
Yeah, give me a beer. You know the wild fruit wine is a pint.
Wild fruit, you want the rose?
Yeah,
A pint of wild fruit.
Yeah.
Alright.
And a earthquake, the regular, not the pineapple.
Okay, I got you. Man.
You feel 4 local?
Yeah. Ooh, look like that ant about to try him. I wonder if the ants will get him. I wonder if you're gonna be here